Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Amanda and she writes, "Hi MissPlanIt, hi Amanda. Love your channel. I recently decided to make fake florals for my wedding coming up soon. I'd love any tips on how I can make a sunflower and white rose centerpiece. I'm not much of a DIYer, so help me out." Well, Amanda, not only am I going to help you out, I'm also going to show you how to make it with Dollar Tree items. And it's so simple, even the most novice person with DIYing can make this successfully, beautifully, and economically. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Sunflower Dollar Tree Challenge. All right, guys, let's get to it. So we're going to make our vases with one ribbed bud vase, one candle holder, and two decorative glass clear bowls, all of them coming from the Dollar Tree. We're going to simply put some E6000 on the rim of the tapered candle holder and on the rim of the bud vase and place our bowls on top. I would let it dry for up to about 30 minutes to an hour with a book, maybe a dictionary or something like that on top. Then you have options. You can keep them glass just like this, or you can spray paint them. I'm going for an antique look, so I spray painted them. They look absolutely stunning. For this next step, you have options. You can either use a half styrofoam ball, or you can use one of the styrofoam discs, both of which the links are in the description right below this video. And we are ready to add our flowers, starting with our hydrangeas. Well, Amanda, how did we do? They're absolutely beautiful and just waiting for that summer wedding. I hope that you like them as much as we do. And remember that 90% of the items we use are from the Dollar Tree. Don't worry, all of the links to all of the supplies that we used are in the description below, like with all of our videos. Just click on that little arrow and it'll lead you right there. Everything's there for you to use as you will. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell and it will give you some instructions so that you will be notified the moment the videos are live. Well, guys, if you would like to leave a comment or ask a question, please do so. I answer all of them myself, although it does take me a little time. I do get to them, and in the meantime, we have a fantastic DIY community that is there to answer your questions. You can also hang out with us still on our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not checked out Rakuten, I don't know what you're waiting for. It's formerly Ebates and they pay you to shop. It's so simple. Go down to that description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's really that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. First, we want to thank you for choosing to spend time with us here on YouTube. You have so many options that we do not take you spending your time with us for granted, so thank you. If you would like to hang out some more, you can head over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, for more awesome written and picture instructions of most of our projects, as well as more cost-saving tips, a free resource library, and just a lot of good stuff over there. So if you haven't checked out our website, head on over there now. Just click on that little tag in the corner and it'll take you right over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. That is also where you can submit your project request. On our website, there is a simple little tab that says Project Request. You click it, follow the simple instructions, and we will get back to you as soon as possible if we are able to put your project in production. Now, our schedule fills up fast, so be sure to do it sooner than later. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, and we do want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.